Guys, put a like on the video, leave a comment. Well, if I want to see a picture, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I make me send out a warning. People overseas. I know enough time I don't want to come back to Jamaica. Yes, I can come. But yes, we don't have family and then dead left certain things and you have brother and sister out here. Don't come out here and say you want to fight them feet. Because just like that, listen, your life gone, especially when things is not given to certain family member. Alright, so we could get into the story now. So the man that come to Jamaica, if you come bury family member, and after all being said and done, some family dispute over who forget house, who forget this and all sort of something. Remember, these stories are alleged. Let me put it out there. These voice note that I'm about to play now are alleged. So take a listen, pick sense out of nonsense, and we get back in our talking again. Listen.
He named Michael Jimmy Brown from Pimento Hill. But in a house they kill him when in a house they shoot him in the head. One shot he get in the head. His sister and the brother now they have them at over station. Kill him, man, trust me. Kill him. Kill him. A dead left house them a fight over, man. And if you kill me dead, I fi kill him. Cause before the this man me say sister go and the police them tap him. As me I said to you, the mother dead left 5 house and a 5 of them. But the sister want the whole of the house them. But when I try to do, I try to sink the brother now where they will live out here. Cause your brother always involved in the wrongs. He might try to sink the brother. But me I said, cousin, how the person who killed Jimmy get key for go in the house? I don't know, kick off door or nothing, you know. I pull the door, pull for go in there. So I must either the brother will live out here or the sister. You understand how they get key? No way no they will kick off for go in the room way in. A one way in and one way out. So how them have to kill the man?
Why? Me hear a different story, because you say him and I did have some friction during the week, and him backside. I sitting and she tell somebody yesterday, dumpy yesterday, she tell somebody say, oh, she had killed him before she left her. You understand? Because a 5 house, yes, a 5 house, and it's like say, but a 5 house, them say, she alone not forget none of her house. So everybody get a house and she 5 fit me on a 5 house and she not forget none of the house. You see me, so I this the affliction start from. So me hear this morning.
So yeah, I could talk about this now. So on the earphone itself, guys. Where people are kill one another over land and house for. I always hear about them story. Let me tell you this. Father have his own, mother have his own, blessed is the child who have his own. Sometimes they can do a fire and just love certain things and no life value more. You understand? I don't say the man in his right try to defend what is. But you have to understand the type of world we live in now. And in just Jamaica, things like this happen all over the world. Anytime family dead left things is like it always, all when them right will and said this a man forget this, Sandy forget this, Paul forget this, Damien forget this. Some way, somehow bad mind come along the way and feel like they are entitled also and they will set up your life. Some people say, oh, if me not get nothing, nobody not get nothing. I just say that. Fool she take me for. Right. You understand? So you have to know where you are the guys. Especially when you have brother and sister, you know, say, you don't communicate certain way. You have to be careful because they may set up your own life because here they look there. These things been happening generation and generation. People are kill people for land and house and all type of dead left thing. And when you all are dead and gone, we can't carry nothing with we. Because my ears are funeral in come down far now. If me not correct me if me not right, I think I the mother funeral I know. I'm not sure if the mother bury her, the mother bury already and then this happened. I'm not sure. You understand? So I don't want to go in the story like as if I know everything. You understand? Somebody will come from down at the district, will hear the story, voice them opinion, and I just inside I can share it, but share them voice, that's it. So bear in mind these stories are alleged, but so the gleaner come out with it now, family dispute. So that's why me never run go put it out yet. Because when you have investigation, you have to make police do what they do. But I don't want to play no hero. You understand? When it come out in the public, me put out whatever me get and that's it. It's in the public domain. You understand? So, it is what it is. Condolences to this brother, Jimmy. I know you must left Pitney and family over England, but it is what it is. Sorry. You understand? I know if you didn't know this happen, you just hold your own and ease yourself. But here the lady say, a 5 house and a 5 Pitney, so why it can't share? Why one house can sell and share up some money or something, eh? Boy, I may tell her, when I know one thing, I another. I'm telling you already on my blog, them, and sometimes you live your life with family member, laugh and drink, and you don't even know if them are going to be the one if you take out your life. If this man didn't know, so this is happening, that just stay in England, ease himself, but no. In come to Jamaica, funeral as alleged. You understand? And just show jealousy. Allegedly through jealousy, him lose him life over property where him can't live in it again. And if it's alleged, as what them say, the story, I saw it go with sister or whatever, she never go spend the rest of her life in a jail. So who get the house now? You see it? Look on them puzzle. Who get the house? So I one man win right as I know. One man win, right, yes, sir. And the DEVIL. Yeah, man, that man. I'm alone win, right, yes, sir. But anyway, guys, it's a developing story. I mean, I slip my mouth. It's a developing story. So I'll keep it posted with whatever information, police source, investigators come out with. I'm not going to know what is what. I'm going to see British media run with this. Oh, I forgot. Him not fit in narrative, no? Anyway, soon in our next vlog. Peace. Happy Friday. Bless upon yourself. One love. I'm out.